Don't. No.
Whoa, Hermione!
Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan. And today we are going to see what's inside Harry Potter wands.
In the books, they talk about everything that's inside of the wands. We got Harry Potter wands from Universal. They actually sell them at Harry Potter Land. Is that what it's called?
Harry Potter World.
We went there this last week. It was pretty amazing.
It was so cool.
Right? And
it was one of my favorite trips.
We saw this Harry Potter wand that looked the most elaborate of them all. It was made by Kano. If you remember, we did a video with Kano a while back. Type, say hello.
Hello.
With a little computer system.
It's cool.
We reached out to Kano and asked them, guys, would you like to sponsor this video and we do a video about Harry Potter wands? And they're like, heck yes, that sounds amazing. Maybe the conversation didn't go exactly like that, but
yeah.
Today is Black Friday and we think this is a great gift for Christmas or for the holidays. Thank you, Kano, for sponsoring this video. First thing we're gonna do is quiz Lincoln and see what actually should be inside of them from the book. This would be Harry Potter's wand.
Okay.
Harry Potter's wand.
Okay.
That should be a nice one.
Whoa.
Take it out, bud.
That's fancy.
That is cool. I like it. It looks like just a plain old tree and then you just carved something out of it. This one doesn't look very fancy. What is special about Harry's wand, Lincoln?
Harry Potter's wand is part of Dumbledore's bird, the phoenix. It's one of the two feathers and the other feather is in Voldemort's wand.
I'm gonna double check and see if that's accurate.
Nope,
How about that?
accurate.
Harry Potter's wand was 11 inches long, made of holly, and possessed a phoenix feather core. You're right, Lincoln.
What did I say?
Phoenix feather core should be inside of this. That was impressive, Lincoln.
What did I say? The last time I read the Harry Potter books, it was like 2 years ago.
But you read them a lot.
I read them 17 times, so that's how I knew what was inside of this.
Hermione Granger. She's the girl. Ooh.
Wow.
That one is longer and it's a lot more intricate on the side. Like take a look at it looks like ivy that's wrapped around it all the way up and it has a different weight to it. It feels heavier. Maybe it's because it's longer, but this one's light as a feather. Oh, phoenix feather, yeah, see? Let us know in the comments if you know right now.
It could
you can
be
pause
a
the
unicorn
video.
horn. If I guess that, it would be really
unicorn
cool.
horn?
I don't know if it's a unicorn horn, it's something from a unicorn.
A dragon heartstring core. Did you know that?
I read them 17
Okay.
times.
All right, so how about this one? Newt Scamander. Oh, is that the Fantastic Beast guy? Is that this guy?
Yeah.
He's on the front. This is based off of the new movie. It has a light in it. This is a lot of wands. I didn't realize we had so many wands. What about the Elder Wand? What's this? There are two Dumbledores? Let's see what this one is. I don't even know. Why do we have all these wands?
This one actually looks more like Dumbledore's.
This one. What's this? Isn't that what Voldemort had? And he's like, hey, I'll get you my pretty...
No, that's not what happens. Sorry.
Where's Harry Potter's wand?
Oh, it's this one.
This is Harry Potter's wand. Let's see if we can see what's
No,
inside
don't
of
do
it.
that.
Isn't this what Harry did at the end of the movie? He's like, my wand is scary, I can't.
Can I keep this one?
Yeah. What's supposed to be inside of this thing?
Phoenix feather.
Phoenix feather. If I break it open,
Oh no!
where's the phoenix feather? Phoenix feather, over the years, has petrified and turned into a metal rod.
Hey, if you just tape it back together, it'll be like Ron's wand, and then it'll do magic spells that aren't the right thing.
They have metal inside of it and then plastic on the outer layer. It's like the metal from a hanger, but a little bit thicker. Now you guys don't need to break your wand.
Yeah.
Pew, pew, pew.
Expelliarmus.
Extremis Bugamus.
Pew, pew, pew,
That's not
pew,
it.
pew.
Lumos. Expectoramus.
Wow.
Okay, Hermione. Whoa, Hermione!
What? Dad, no!
I basically just hit this on the concrete and yeah, pretty simple. A piece of metal that goes through it. So these wands are really cool. They look cool. They're more decorative. The thing that I really like about the Kano wands is that you can actually do something with it and learn from it. And yes, this is approved by the official Harry Potter. Inside of the box, which is really cool, you got this beautiful thing here, the book that tells you how to do everything. Because of the code, it's the way that you code it in the computer. It's like going to Hogwarts. It's like you're going to magic wand school. Abracadabra. Lincoln, you are the demonstrator. Are you ready?
Yes, I am completely ready.
So you can do different challenges there at that place, which is cool. But what I like is you can do play, and there's a few different things. Like this one I really like. So it shows you, yeah, don't touch it, don't do anything yet. This shows all the code that's in there. So there's all the code and there's different things that you can change. This one's already been pre-programmed. Twist the wand like this. Now do it the other way, go up. No, not down, just up. There you go, now cut down. See how it's doing that? Let's try another one. So that's just one of them. Another one that we have is this one here. This is one where you just doing a
Fire particles! That looks so cool, look at that. Look how far away I am, yeah.
The feather. Oh, so this one you have to move it X, Y, then move it down. It shows you like, we're gonna skip that one. So this one, as you can see, I am just drawing all over the place. And then another cool thing is that you can go to Kano World and you can pull up all these different things that people have created. Like all these people have created them, they comment on them, and they leave likes. Like this one is Purple Haze. Remix to make any color, he says, and people are like, awesome, one word, cool, wow, so satisfying.
Wow. Whoa. Look at that. I'm making Purple Haze.
You are making Purple Haze.
This is so cool that you can just control it with the tablet.
Boom. Hold that off, open this up. Boom.
There it is. It's still cool. This is what's inside of it.
That is it. So what's inside of a Harry Potter wand? The Kano one is this, and it's actually very cool. If you want a Harry Potter wand that you can actually code yourself and make cool things that you can share with everybody, check out Kano. We'll put a link in the description to where you can buy this.
Cool.
That's why we're releasing it today on Black Friday. We think this is one of the coolest Christmas gifts that we've seen, especially for Harry Potter fans. Kano, thank you for sponsoring this video and for sending us this awesome wand. And let us know what you think about these Harry Potter wands. I would say it's more cool than a phoenix's tail.
What? So this is my wand. It's a stick. I don't know what's inside of it. So now I have 2 wands.
Where's this video going, Lincoln?
Look how big that jelly bean is.